Words Non Sequiturs, 1967. Seeing an object in real space may not be a very immediate experience. Aspects are experienced, the whole is assumed or constructed. Yet it is the presumption that the constructed thing is more real than illusory, and changing aspects afforded by varying perspective views and illumination. We have no apprehension of the totality of an object, other than what has been constructed from incidental views under various conditions. Yet this process of building the object from immediate sense data is homogeneous. There is no point in the process where any conditions of light or perspective indicate a realm of existence different from that indicated by other views under other conditions. The presumption of constancy and consistency makes it possible to speak of illusionism at all. It is considered less than general condition. In fact, illusionism in the seeing of objects is suppressed to an incidental factor. The trouble with painting is not its inescapable illusionism per se, but this inherent illusionism brings with it a non-actual elusiveness or indeterminate elusiveness. The mode has become quite antique. Specifically, what is antique about it is the divisiveness of experience which marks on a flat surface illicit. There are obvious cultural and historical reasons why this happens. For a long while, the duality of thing and illusion sustained itself under the force of profuse organizational innovations within the work itself. But it has worn thin, and its premises cease to convince. Duality of experience is not direct enough. That which has ambiguity built into it is not acceptable to an empirical and pragmatic outlook. That the mode itself, rather than the lagging quality, is in default seems to be shown by the fact that some of the best painting today does not bother to emphasize actuality or literalness through the shaping of the support. At the extreme end of the size range are works on a monumental scale. Often these have a quasi-architectural focus. They can be walked through or looked up at. Some are simple in form, but most are baroque in feeling beneath a certain superficial soberness. They share a romantic attitude of domination and burdening impressiveness. They often seem to loom with a certain humanitarian sentimentality. While the most advanced three-dimensional work shares certain premises, distinctions can be made between works. Certain ambitions and intentions vary and can be named.